Hey there! Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're counting down the top 3 best rolling backpack options that combine smart storage, smooth mobility, and travel-ready durability. Whether for school, work, or flights, these picks are built for comfort and convenience. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Gotech Rolling Backpack. The Gotech Rolling Backpack is a versatile and stylish solution for modern travelers and professionals. Designed with functionality in mind, it features a large main compartment with a 180-degree opening, perfect for storing luggage, textbooks, documents, and devices up to a 15.6-inch laptop or iPad. An additional main compartment is equipped with 6 smaller pockets for organizing pens, wallets, and other essentials, while a top-access small pocket offers quick storage for items like mobile phones and lipstick. Security is enhanced with an anti-theft RFID pocket, and both sides of the backpack feature convenient water bottle holders. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant polyester, the backpack can withstand heavy rain and is easy to clean, while the durable, waterproof zippers ensure long-lasting use. Its dual-function design allows it to be used as both a rolling bag and a backpack. When carried as a backpack, a retractable pocket covers the wheels, keeping the back clean, while the pull rod enables smooth rolling when needed. TSA-friendly dimensions make it suitable as a carry-on for air travel. Weighing only 4.6 pounds and measuring 18.5 by 13 by 7.5, the backpack fits easily in airline luggage compartments. Its lightweight frame, larger wheels, and reinforced protection system make rolling effortless, and a built-in USB port adds modern convenience for charging on the go. This multi-purpose backpack is ideal for men and women, serving as a travel companion, hiking bag, business carry-on, teacher bag, or computer backpack. Its adaptable design and practical features make it a reliable choice for daily use or long trips. For any issues or defects, the manufacturer provides prompt customer support via email. Coming in at number 2, we have the Aurotier Rolling Backpack. The Aurotier Rolling Backpack is designed to adapt to modern lifestyles, seamlessly combining versatility, durability, and style. Its innovative 2-in-1 design allows for effortless switching between backpack and rolling modes, giving users the freedom to choose the most comfortable way to carry their belongings. The trolley handle features a thickened double-bar design for added stability, while the shoulder straps and padded back panel distribute weight evenly, enhancing comfort during extended use. With its thoughtfully organized storage, this backpack meets the demands of travel, work, and daily life. The spacious main compartment accommodates clothing and essentials, while a padded electronics organizer ensures devices stay safe and secure. 4 front pockets and 2 side pockets provide additional organization, and a wet-dry waterproof section is perfect for toiletries. Side elastic straps conveniently hold a water bottle or umbrella, keeping essential items easily accessible. Durability is a key focus in the Aurotier design. Off-road wheels glide smoothly across various terrains, while the bottom and exterior are crafted from water-resistant, wear-resistant 900D material. This ensures the bag remains functional in challenging conditions, protecting your belongings from rain and rough surfaces. The backpack's tactical aesthetic is complemented by MOLLE webbing on the front and sides, allowing users to expand storage and personalize the bag with patches or badges. The logo area is also customizable, giving the bag a unique personal touch. For travelers, the backpack is airline-friendly, opening from 90 degrees to 180 degrees for easy TSA inspections. Its dimensions fit most carry-on requirements, and a grab handle on the bottom facilitates placement in overhead bins. An integrated luggage strap allows secure attachment to rolling suitcases, while lockable zippers on both the main and electronics compartments provide added security and peace of mind. The Aurotier rolling backpack is a fusion of practicality and style, engineered for those who demand flexibility, organization, and reliability in a single travel companion. And finally, at number 1, we have the Star Cloud Rolling Backpack. The Star Cloud Rolling Backpack is a versatile travel companion designed for those who value convenience and connectivity on the go. Featuring both USB and Type-C charging ports, it allows travelers and commuters to keep their devices powered throughout the day, making it an ideal choice for business trips, college, or weekend getaways. Its compact design, measuring 21 by 14 by 9 inches with wheels in a 45L capacity, combines lightweight construction at just 5.2 pounds, 95 pounds with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the demands of frequent travel. This backpack doubles as a rolling bag and a traditional backpack, giving users flexibility in how they carry their belongings. The interior is thoughtfully organized, with a padded compartment that accommodates laptops up to 17.3 inches, multiple organizer pockets, a quick access sleeve, and side mesh bottle holders. Whether for books, electronics, or personal items, the design keeps everything secure and within easy reach. Built from water-resistant polyester with reinforced stitching and smooth rubber-protected wheels, the backpack is engineered for durability and everyday use. Lockable zippers provide extra security, offering peace of mind for travelers without the need for TSA locks. Additionally, its carry-on size meets most airline requirements, allowing it to fit comfortably in overhead bins. Combining practical features with a sleek design, the Star Cloud Rolling Backpack offers a reliable and stylish solution for modern travel, seamlessly adapting to the needs of professionals, students, and frequent flyers alike. Travel smarter, not harder. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite rolling backpack today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more top product countdowns and smart gear recommendations.